In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone voice on Talkie AI. By the end, you'll have your own custom voice ready to use with a character. All you need is a clear audio sample of the voice you want to clone and a few minutes to follow along. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Talkie AI. From the results, click the official Talkie AI website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create a Talkie button and click it. This takes you into the creation flow, where you can set up a new character. Choose a character that you want to give your cloned voice to. After selecting one, navigate to the voice settings. Here, you'll see options related to how your character sounds. Click the Edit or Pencil icon to adjust the voice. This opens up more advanced controls and access to your stored voices. Next, switch to My Library. This is where your custom voices live. Click Clone New Voice to begin the cloning process. You'll see two options: upload a recording or record directly in the browser. In this walkthrough, we'll upload a recording. For best results, use a clean sample recorded in a quiet space, ideally 30 to 60 seconds long, with natural pacing and varied intonation. Click the drag and drop area or the Browse button. Locate your recorded voice file on your computer, select it, and click Open. Give the upload a moment to process. When prompted, review and approve the user consent and legal declaration. Only upload a voice you own or have explicit permission to use. This protects both you and the person whose voice it is. After confirming, click Clone Voice to start the cloning. Processing time may vary depending on file size and server load, so be patient and avoid closing the page. Once it's ready, you'll see the new voice appear in your library. Select it and click Use to apply it to your current character's voice settings. Finally, click Save to commit your changes. Saving ensures your character keeps the cloned voice the next time you return. If you make adjustments later, remember to save again before leaving the page. That's it. Your character now speaks with the cloned voice you uploaded. Keep your original audio handy in case you want to refine or replace it later, and consider recording in a quiet room with consistent mic distance for even better results. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with Talkie AI.